southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scottsboro, Bridgeport, South Pittsburgh, Stevenson, Hollywood, Skyline, Bass, Martintown, and Russell Cave National Monument. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Jackson, Alabama,